Hello everyone, Sergio Prieto from Queens Capital Mortgage. I have Lindsay Alcaraz. Just wanted to talk to Lindsay about what she's been up to in the last 6 months. So as the team, we have been extremely busy. Queens Capital Mortgage is only about 2 years old. This is the busiest we've been. Every month we're like breaking a record on how much volume in loans we're doing as a team, and that's great. So Lindsay, in the last 6 months, talk about the loans and products that you've been doing to help your clients.
So I just closed a pretty difficult loan, actually. I had a lot of lenders telling me that they could do, but they couldn't. It's a 23-acre property, off-grid, but really just right up the mountain. And I had a bunch of lenders telling me that they could do it due to acreage size. And then in the end, basically blowing me off saying, just kidding, no, we can't. But after a lot of trial and error, I found an amazing agricultural lender that was able to get the loan done and closed pretty fast and pretty efficiently. So I was really happy to find that after a lot of letdowns.
The agricultural loan,
Yeah.
It implies what exactly?
So agricultural, so anything that's jumbo, so over the conforming loan limit, so anything over $805,000. It was a refinance, but it had to be over 20 acres. Anything over 20 acres, a lot of main lenders they wouldn't do. A big part of it was because there was a goat barn. And so they consider that a hobby farm, even though they weren't generating income from it, they still wouldn't do it. So agricultural, it was zoned agricultural, but still within the city limits. It was just those little things that lenders, it was just too big of a deal for lenders.
So let me get this straight. Queens Capital Mortgage can do a loan on a hobby farm?
Yes, we can do a loan on a hobby farm.
How about that?
We can do a loan for anything.
Almost anything.
Almost anything. If I get let down, we'll find someone that can do it for you. But
All right, and now you had some VA clients that you're working with right now.
yep, so we have a couple clients that I'm working with right now. They just moved here from Pennsylvania, so they're currently shopping and in the process of looking for a home. I also have another loan right now that's a brand new build. We actually beat the new builder's lender in pricing and rate, which is huge because we've lost, a lot of other loan officers out there that are working, we've lost a lot of business to new builds because they're giving rates out that we just can't touch. This one, I actually beat the lender's pricing. I got the loan estimate and I saw that they were actually giving out $30,000 in concessions, but they were paying $23,000 in points for an 8.99 interest rate. And when I actually went and looked at my fee sheet, I was getting a 5.875 for $14,000. So my pricing was better than the builder's lender and the rate was also lower. So definitely look at those things. Even just all around closing costs, we're beating them in closing costs as well. So it's more of the bigger picture than just the rate that you're looking at as well.
Great job, Lindsay.
Thank you.